I just know for a fact that some of your coffins will be very, very light, featherweight, even less than a feather. Because why are you traumatizing us with information that even Cyril Ranko Diposa and Eboletu funeral mixed with Avbob can never get out of me? Even if Reddington woke up after that bull ran over him, he would not get that information out of me. Why are you traumatizing us with that information unprovoked? Nienzani? Nienzani? Ngiyanamukela kwinkqubo yami ngomntaba kadade, ngomntaba kagogo, ngomntaba ka-anti, ngomntaba kasisi. I am Sims, and it's at Right Sims on Instagram. So please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. If you want more traffic on your platforms, you have a channel that you want to promote, you can get more subscribers, you want more people to know about your business, you want more clients, you want more customers. Mutare Kamukhala, we do very well this side with traffic. Okay? Titi. Oh. Yeah. Do you see how immediately my face changes? I will not let you guys start 2026 by traumatizing us, telling us that you guys are in love and are in relationships with your fathers. Yes, I mean your
Put a finger down if you're a 28-year-old female who has a thing for their dad. So put a finger down if you're 28 years old and you're currently staying with your boyfriend, everything is well and fine, and the guy actually took the initiative, Uguti, baby, you know what, let's take easy into to the next level, so this guy wants to marry you. The one problem is that one day you went home, Ekaya, to go see your family, and Ubaba was like, hey, wanaka uhodile. Mind, this is the same person who's been there throughout your life. So when you went to primary, when you went to high school, when you got your first heartbreak, this person has been there all the time. So after Ubaba said, hey, mtanam, yazawa cool. Now you're like, oh, because Ubaba age is like, fine one. He's, I would say, you know? So when Uhatama Sugar and Spice, because I mean, you've dated people who are in their 50s, so why not my dad? So at this point, you and your dad have been together for 1 year, 3 months, and everything is well and fine. You're starting to get your real feelings, forgetting that there's someone there. You don't even care if the family finds out because you, what do you mean? This is my man now. So you have decided, no man, I don't even care if people find out. But my chat is, I don't know what to do because now things are becoming serious now. I like this man. I know I like my father. Actually, let me put it like that because in Pamazan, what do you mean you're in a relationship with your dad? I didn't charge him. So now you don't want to hurt Ugai because Ugai and I has always been there for you, and then you're getting married soon. But at the same time, you're like, ish, my father's going to be there now. Things, it's a problem. It's very problematic, this one. So you're asking my put your hand down community, guys, what should I do? I love this man. He's all sugar and spice, salt and pepper. But again, he's your dad, Ntombazane. He's your dad, Mtasekaya. So this is a very chaotic story at most. I didn't even cover all the points, but I covered the important points because I can't even sleep. Because what do you mean?
Why? Why would you come on Brenda Fass's internet and tell us this? Who asked you? No. Who provoked you? I know there is someone with a pew pew holding it to your head off camera, because there is no way you can just tell us that information unprovoked. This girl is telling us that she's been in a relationship with her father for 1 year, 3 months. And she's in a relationship with her man. And her man is serious about her. And now the man wants to lobola her. But it's going to be a tricky situation with the lobola because the father will be part of the negotiation. And her father is no longer her father, but her dad. She sees it zaddy. I want to vomit. Is there a place in the Guinness Book of Records where there is a record for the most deepest, darkest secret that you can expose online? Do you guys not know about digital footprint? Do you not know that what you tell us will be forever on the internet? Do you not know? What do you mean you are doing the Vinky Vongo with your father? like his voice is inside your frying pan. That is illegal. One or two of you, all of you, should be under the jail. Okay? Death row. No, what I mean is life sentences upon the death row. No, guys, no, I'm not judging. I'm excruciatingly, critically analyzing the doings that you guys are doing. Because how did it even get to, how now, brown cow? Like, who? Your dad having the galled liver and the bloodline to tell you that, hey, ukhulile man, like you've grown. What? Why is this man looking at you like that? Jail. Okay, the jail that's under the ocean. Why? See, you are 28. I just, guys, please, you know what? Before we carry on with this video, are you interested in becoming an Airbnb host without having the property or the furniture? Sometimes not even enough money to start off as an Airbnb host. Worry not, because Gooks Holdings has got you covered. No, it is not a scam. She will even be hosting free online classes on how to host on Airbnb, because you guys have flooded her Google form, and a lot of you have shown interest. She will be giving us management class course, so that you can be a part of this amazing initiative that can help us get some extra coins in our pockets, because in Cyril's economy, every cent counts. So, Mihlali Namaste is trending on Twitter, because on Twitter there's that AI thing called Grok, and with the Grok, like, it's like you are asking, hey Siri, what does a Sims right mean? Hey Siri, is this true? Like a fact checker type of thing, fact checker, Twitter. So yesterday, a lot of, it's not just Mihlali actually, a lot of influential people, celebrities, and like prominent people were doing that thing. So Michelle was like, hey, Grok, I do not give you permission to alter my pictures, edit my image, do anything with my image, make my image anything. Do not change or edit or alter my image as Mihlali Ndamase. And people are like, who wants to change your image? Who do you think you are, Mihlali? Yeah, she's my colleague. She's my colleague. Yeah, you know, she is beauticious. She does not want you guys to add or subtract from her beauty. Yeah? Umihlali, mombekile, like uyi chips, ele coleslaw le peri. So she does not want you to make her a chutney or sweet chili. So she's telling you, don't alter my images. So people are like, hi, Mihlali. President Estrada. President Instagram, don't come with your tendencies here. Here, if we want to take your bikini picture and make you wear a Maskandi outfit, we will do it. And then people are like, Grok, put this on Mihlali. And Grok was like, I cannot do that. So Grok was obliging. And Jim Saka, I know you are so proud of where I am with my English, my love. And I would credit you, but I can't. I can't, Angie. Okay? This is all of Kara Asmal's doing. Okay? I did Kara Asmal. I'm lying. I'm not that old. I really did do Angie Msaka, but sometimes I just don't want to give. No, I did Naledi Pendo. Actually. Sorry, Angie. Nothing Naledi. Naledi Pendo. This is why I am so smartamacious. I'm so smart. You know, like, I don't even need a smartwatch, because I'm just so smart. Okay, sometimes you must just tell yourself that you are the ultra male, even if there's no custard. But when you are the ultra male, anyway, guys, stop being so weird. People don't want their images to be tainted or altered. They want to give you their images. They don't want what they've given to you to be changed by you. Mm-mm. Mm. Who rough. Okay? will see you on the next one. Guys, I feel like I'm going to have so many videos because there is so much to talk about this Jan. Like, so much. Like, I might be back maybe tomorrow or today. Who knows?